Hello, thank you for joining me. Here are 4 individual DEM elevation model images that I've downloaded from the incredibly helpful 30-meter SRTM elevation data downloading tool by Derek Watkins. I'm going to add these to my ArcGIS Pro project, and here they are, 4 individual DEM images. But you can see that, they don't all look the same, and obviously there's seams where the 2 images come together. Actually, there's 4 images. But they don't match each other. How can I handle all of these images like one image collected into a single mosaic? It's called a mosaic. So I'm going to open the geoprocessing tool called Mosaic to New Raster. You see how I just dragged all of those files into the input? Isn't that cool? So I'll choose my output location and I'll give it a short name. They have to be short, I know. I'm going to give it the creative name Michigan DEM. And for the spatial reference, you could use the existing maps spatial reference. You can use any of the input spatial reference. I know that I'm going to want to use the Michigan GeoRef in my completed map, so I'll just project them into that projection right here at the outset. And I can do a search here for Michigan GeoRef. Add it. That's cool. And the pixel type, what the deuce is that? By default, it's 8-bit unsigned, which isn't a ton of data. And if you look at what each of them means, you can see 8 bits pretty simple. A good rule of thumb is to look at your input file and just match your input file. It's hard to go wrong if you do something like that. So I'll open the properties, look at the source, and I'll scroll down here to see what my pixel depth is, and it's 16 bits, so that's what I'm going to use. And I'm going to use unsigned instead of signed because there are no negative values for this elevation data in Michigan. We are all above sea level here. So for my number of bands, okay, I'll choose 1. It's just a grayscale image, and I'll leave the rest as default. Now I have 1 layer. And look at all of this new stuff that's happened. See these OVR files from my initial input images? Those are just automatically created by ArcGIS Pro when you add it to a project. Those are pyramid images, which are downsampled versions. So when you zoom out, it's quick to show them. It doesn't show like all those pixels in the viewer. And if I dig into this output, it shows me my grid file format, and that itself has a pyramid associated with it, so it's performant. And if I hit Control click on the checkbox, it turns everything else off. Isn't that a cool trick? So now, for example, if I change the symbology and I'll change the stretch type to min max all in one go. I didn't have to do it 4 individual times and match the settings to all those 4 inputs. I can just do it one time. Makes sense, right? I want to treat this like a single image. So for my project, let me just reproject it to Michigan GeoRef because that's what my mosaic is. And just to show you how easy it is, I'll open the Imager tab and go to the raster functions, and I'll create a hill shade. And I only have to do this once. Again, I don't have to do this for all 4 input images and have weird gaps and seams and obvious borders between my inputs. It treats them all as a single awesome DEM image. Mosaics.